What's up guys, Track Palmer here. In this video, I will show you 7 accessories or modification you can add to your motor vehicle to improve your safety and driving experience. You may have already made some of these adjustments, but there might be a few here you have not yet done. So stick around to the end to see all suggestions. The first accessory is a backup camera. This is becoming standard for modern motor vehicles. However, there are still many cars out there without a backup camera. Thankfully, there are many aftermarket backup cameras to choose from to add this accessory to your motor vehicle. You can buy an Android radio that comes with a backup camera, or you can buy a system like this for just rear view monitoring. A backup camera is essential for parking in small spaces and to avoid hitting someone while backing up. The second accessory has to do with security, and it is to install a dash camera. A security dash camera allows drivers to record their surroundings while driving. Recording can also be triggered if the car is parked and turned off if the car is hit hard enough to shake. The camera could possibly capture a person or vehicle that hit your car. This can be very helpful to provide evidence for insurance purposes and could also help to solve a crime. I purchased this dash camera on Amazon and I will put a link in the description below. The cool thing about this one is that it records both in front of the car as well as inside the car. You can even see through the back glass to see what's happening outside the rear of the car. There are not many cars with a built-in dash camera, but I'm sure this feature will become standard in most vehicles like the backup camera is becoming. The third accessory is blind spot monitor. This feature allows drivers to monitor their surroundings with the use of technology. Blind spot technologies include optical blind spot camera, blind spot sensors, and blind spot mirrors. These technologies allow drivers to change their lane and overtake more safely. I have installed blind spot mirrors on my car and I will put a link to a video in the description below. The fourth accessory or modification is the installation of interior LED lights and LED headlights if your vehicle doesn't have these already installed. Good LED lights significantly improve your visibility and make your car looks way better. White light is just more appealing to the eyes. You can purchase different types of LED lights on Amazon, and I will put a link in the description below showing the installation of different LED lights. The fifth accessory is car cell phone holder. Many drivers may already have a car cell phone holder, but it is being mentioned here as a reminder. A car cell phone holder helps drivers to not have their cell phone in their hands while driving. This act is also illegal in some states. There are many types of car cell phone holders to choose from, and you can explore options on Amazon. However, I found that the magnetic ones are more convenient. You will just have to find one with a strong magnetic pull to keep the phone in place even while driving over bumps. I will also put a link in the description below to a video reviewing this cool cell phone holder. The sixth accessory is a 12-volt tire inflator. This is very affordable and convenient when you need one. You will be able to inflate your tire when it is low or have a leak. You won't need to pay at the gas station, and you will have it whenever and wherever you want. Having a plug kit with this will also be a good idea. You can learn how to plug a tire right here on YouTube if you haven't yet learned how to do so. The seventh and final accessory is the installation of a hitch on your car if it can be done. Many mid-size SUVs and trucks come with a hitch already installed and some don't. A hitch can also be installed on some sedans. You would just need to do some research to see if your vehicle can take one. Being able to haul large items with your vehicle can be very convenient. You can never tell when you might need a hitch. Having a hitch and never use it won't hurt, and it does not cost much to install. Check out a video in the description below of the cost and the installation process of a hitch. That's it guys, those were 7 accessories or modifications you can add to your vehicle to improve your safety and convenience. Let me know in the comment below of any cool accessory that can be added to this list. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Also, hit the notification bell to be notified as soon as I upload a new video. See you on the next one, guys.